Hello my friends, I'm Sylwolf and I'm going to give you an update on what's going to be happening with my channel in the next few months. A couple of shout outs first. They go to Imogen and Maybo the Furby. So you may remember a few days ago in my last video I was a bit worried about the whole COPPA thing, which is the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. So obviously it makes making videos for kids quite difficult now. And that means all my toy videos, my unboxing of toys and things like that, Furby videos and all the rest. Now, this is what's going to be happening. I've had lots of really useful suggestions from everyone commenting on my video, so thank you to everyone. You really helped a lot. So, this is what's going to be happening. I'm still going to be making toy videos. I'm still going to be making Furby videos. But I'm not going to be doing them quite as often, because obviously it's no fun if you can't comment on them and they can't be monetized, unless YouTube of course changes it a bit, brings in revenue and monetization for videos for kids. If it changes in the future, then I can go back to more of, you know, my old kind of format. So, putting Lube to one side, this is basically what's going to happen. I've written a list of all the sorts of things that I can do with this channel. Now, these are the ideas people have given me. Lots of people wanted to see more art videos, so I can show you guys how to draw and things like that, tutorial videos and stuff, how to colour, how to draw realism, how to draw cartoons, because I can draw quite a wide variety of things. So more drawing videos, that was pretty much the top thing people wanted to see. Videos about my books. I have written and published 2 fantasy novels, so I can give you tips on writing, character development and things like that if you want to get into anything like that yourself. I know a lot of you are very creative, so I've got, you know, advice if you want it on writing and characters and things like that. Toy videos without showing the toy, I could do something like that, or maybe just like flash the toy up on the screen or something. It's something to think about, but I'm not too sure, because obviously you need to see the toy to see what it's all about. But I will still be doing toy videos. I'm not going to stop. They just won't be as often, because obviously I really need the revenue and stuff, and I like people to comment on my videos so we can all talk about it. I like interacting with my fans. I think the comment thing is almost worse than them taking away the revenue, in all honesty, because it means you can't just interact with your fans, and that's really sad. How to draw, like I've just covered. Urban exploring. When I can, I do urban exploring videos, that is exploring abandoned places and taking photos. And I love urban exploring, but there's not many places around here. I've got friends who do urban exploring and they do loads of videos, but they travel about, they have the time to travel about. I have a car, but I don't have the time because I'm working quite a lot, and I don't really have anyone to do it with. So sometimes I drag a friend along, as you can see from my previous videos. There was Jess and Will, they came with me, and other friends too, but I will still do those, because it's quite a neat idea and I love urban exploring. Out and about, travelling videos, yes, definitely. I could still do the Spud videos. They might not be construed as for children. My travel videos are not aimed at kids. The YouTube video about this COPPA thing seemed to say if it's aimed at kids, it's for kids, blah blah blah. My travel videos are aimed at everyone. People who like seeing things and places out and about, maybe can't go there themselves. It's nice to watch videos like that, so I could possibly still do those with or without Spud. Possibly with Spud, maybe he'll make a cameo. You never know. Ibos. Ibos aren't actually children's toys. They are adults' toys. They are for older people, or maybe older teenagers, but certainly older people. That is what they are aimed at. However, the bot that goes around will probably still think they're for kids. But I can still do Ibo videos as well. Vlogs, yes, I can do vlogs if you're interested in my personal life, what I do from day to day. I can do something like that. I know the longer I've had my channel, the more people have been interested in me as a person and the things that I do in my life, so I could do stuff like that. That would be fun. Music gigs, I don't go to so many at the moment, but I am going to Rebellion in Blackpool in next August, so I could take my camera there. It's basically a huge punk festival, and so I could take my camera and do some filming there to show you what that's like. experience as a YouTuber. So I could talk about my experiences as a YouTuber, what, you know, has happened over the years and how my channel's grown and how I've sort of got more viewers and built things up. A lot of people ask me for advice on how to start up their own channels. To be honest, mine was fluke. YouTube wanted me to monetize a couple of my videos, I did, and it just went on from there. And one of those was two Furbies having a conversation on a windowsill, which you can see among my videos. It's quite an old one, I think it's over 10 years old or something. So I could do that, but I don't really want to sit here and kind of ramble. It's kind of boring. You want to see things. You know, maybe I could sort of hold stuff up or show you things in the course of the video. Otherwise it's just me talking and people are going to get bored with that. I think they are. Let me know in the comments. Will you get bored with that? Are you bored with this? Hopefully not, because this is what I'm going to be doing with my channel. I'm trying to keep it short. Movie reviews. I do movie reviews on one of my websites, but I can sort of branch into that. I normally review rarer movies, ones that you don't hear about so often, so maybe I can introduce you guys to movies you may not have heard before. And they're adult movies, they're not kids movies, so, you know, if you're over 18 you could probably check them out. Tours. I can't remember what tours is, maybe tours of my house or something, but we're still supposed to be moving, our house has been for sale since last April. We've only had like 9 viewings and it's not going well. When we move, you guys can come on that adventure with me. I can maybe do some vlogs about what it's like to live in a new place. If you've never moved before, a lot of you probably have. I never have. I've never moved, I've always lived here. So that's going to be a new adventure. Also, my other social media sites that I link to in the bottom, you know, in the description underneath these videos, check me out on there as well. I will be trying to build more on those so that I can have a more rounded kind of thing across all the platforms. Obviously YouTube's my main video platform, but I will be linking to videos to try and bring people in from other platforms as well, such as Twitter and Facebook. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing with my channel. If you have any other ideas that I haven't mentioned, I'd love to hear them. And thank you so much to everyone who suggested ideas. You know, getting feedback from you guys helps me keep my channel going because I'm doing this for you. Above and beyond, I am doing it for all of you. So, that's it. So thanks for watching, and this is Silverwolf signing off. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!